Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for anyone serious about their audio setup, the B2 Audio Metal Bar Speaker Grille Protective Cover designed for 6.5-inch subwoofers. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the B2 Audio Metal Bar Grille Cover? In simple terms, it's a heavy-duty protective grille designed to safeguard your 6.5-inch subwoofer from impacts, bumps, and accidental damage. If you're investing in quality audio equipment, you'll want to ensure that it lasts, and this grille cover is engineered to do just that, all while allowing for optimal airflow and movement. One of the standout features of this grille cover is its heavy-duty anodized steel construction. This material not only provides robust protection but also adds a rugged, competition-inspired look to your setup. It's perfect for those who want their audio gear to look as good as it sounds. Plus, the design includes a full 1.5-inch excursion gap, ensuring that even high X-Max subs can flex hard without ever making contact with the grille. This is a crucial aspect for maintaining sound quality during intense use. Installation is a breeze, too. You don't need any special tools, just a few minutes, and you can have it mounted on almost any baffle or enclosure. This ease of installation makes it suitable for a variety of users, whether you're a seasoned audio enthusiast, a weekend warrior, or someone looking to upgrade their existing audio system. So who is this product suitable for? If you're a car audio lover, a home theater buff, or even someone who enjoys outdoor events and parties, the B2 Audio Metal Bar Grille Cover is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for those who frequently transport their audio equipment or have it set up in high-traffic areas where accidental bumps and impacts are a real concern. Consider using this grille cover in various practical scenarios. If you're upgrading a custom build, adding it to your vehicle's sound system, or simply looking for a way to protect your existing setup, this grille is versatile enough to fit most 6.5-inch subwoofer enclosures. It's that